Here you go, guys, another video. Got some gnarly chainsaw action in the background, but what I'm going to show you today is how to stiffen up the front suspension on your pit bike, or how to raise your pit bike basically for free if you've got excess tools in your toolbox. It won't cost you anything to do this one. I'll give you a look. This is a 1/2 inch 5/8 socket. It measures 1.5 inches in length, and so basically we're gonna pull the cap off the shock absorber and use this as a spacer to stiffen the spring, which will essentially raise the front of the bike about the 1.5 inches that it sags at the moment. So I'll give you a look. So that's your shock. On the top of the shock you got this bolt here, 19mm. So if you undo that bolt and go around to the other side here, so I've loosened off these two in the triple clamp, and let's take that bolt out of the top there. That gives you access to this spring. So that spring sits down in there. You see, we're going to stick the 5/8 socket down in there and push that spring down like that. Just stiffen the whole show up. And, there's a fair bit of sag in that. There you can see the mark on the other side there and there. That's how much it'll raise it up. So essentially, stick that socket down in there and put this cap in over the top of the lot like that, and I'll give you a look when she's all done. Just fold the bars down there out of the way, give you a little bit more room, and then yeah, just slot that on there. Be quite difficult to push down. Just like that. You see it stiffen it there, pushing up harder. Once you got that done up, now it's just the reverse of pulling it apart. That's fine. see it's lifted it like that there. Front. So yeah, as you can see, it's like lifted it like 1.5 inches, the same as the spacer. It seems to be a bit stiffer, can hold its own weight up. And you need a block of wood to put under the stand so it doesn't tip over now. And I got a new front brake, so I had a longer front brake line by 20 centimeters. So the standard line might not reach, but it's only 1.5 inches and it droops that much if you lift it up anyway, so it should work. There you go. So have a good one, I'll catch you in the next one.